Mazur, in some Arab countries, when you make a phone call to a company, they put you on hold and they play, instead of music in this country, they'd play Quranic verses. Some people object to this and say they do not wish to be reminded of Quranic verses during their working day, and some people say it's good that you be reminded of God or your religion. We just want to know Huzur's point of view of this.
Hudur, he says that in some of the Arab countries. Did I speak English or Arabic?
You are speaking Arabic. English. No, it's all right.
See, in some of the Arab countries, yes, when we call one of the companies while they put us on hold.
Put us on hold, waiting.
Yes. While on a phone call. In these countries they have some music while we're waiting, but in Arab countries they put some recitation of the Holy Quran, and some people they don't want to be reminded of or to listen to the Holy Quran while in their working environment, while it's not so clean or so pious. And some people say no, it's good as a dhikr and a reminder of Allah's teaching. What does Huzur think about this?
I think it's a stupid attempt to force God to be pleased. Allah will not be pleased with such recitations, because the person to whom you are reciting may acquire an attitude of insult. He may be an atheist, an idolater, or what not. How do they know, who play the Quran on cassette, or normally it is on cassette, automatic system, that the person who is listening is believer in Islam? So he will reject this with insult, with indignation. Say that what sort of nonsense. He wouldn't know that he is insulting the Quran because he doesn't believe in it. So this system is very stupid. It's better to play music, because people at least should keep listening to it, than the recitation of the Quran, which is apparently a pious act, but in fact it is worse than the music in this sense, which I have explained.